The air conditioner did turn on. However, you can hear it makes a grinding noise. So I'd recommend to have it serviced.